The Mercedes-Benz A-Class has always been in the forefront of automotive innovation, being the first hatchback luxury car when it was launched in 1997. More than 20 years later, Mercedes-Benz introduces the fourth generation of A-Class cars, made smarter and sportier for the new generation. The three variants of A-Class, A200 Edition 1, A200 Progressive, and A180 Progressive are now available in Cebu. The new Mercedes-Benz A-Class brings modern luxury and breakthrough technology to Cebu. Being the next generation of compact cars, they feature the state-of-the-art Mercedes-Benz user experience. The interior features a high-resolution media display with touchscreen control, digital instrument cluster, intelligent voice control, and natural speech recognition.
Take me to Marina Beach.
Route guidance is starting.
The all-digital instrument panel display can be switched to different styles, from classic, underrated, or sport mode, complementing the turbine look air vents and leather multifunction sports steering wheel. The new A-Class is also loaded with world-class safety features, such as the active brake assist, active parking assist, parktronic and rear view camera, and 7 airbags. For more inquiries, you can visit the Mercedes-Benz showroom at Cebu Veterans Drive, Nivelle Hill, Cebu, or call them at 260-3333. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Ryan Guzman.